Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am having a video on tips and tricks for slime. Slime can be a trouble to make for some people, so this video just has some tips on making your slime better as it can be. Alright, so that's enough talking. Let's get on into the video. First of all, slimes can get dried up really quickly or overactivated. To fix this small problem, there are so many methods. This one is my personal favorite since all it requires is some lotion. Lotion can really soften the slime up, and you can add lotions containing a various amount of fragrances to make your slime smell really good. All I like to do is make a little burrow for the lotion to reside in, and then massage the lotion in and add in as much as you like until your slime comes to a desired texture. Personally, I like to do it until the slime begins to stretch and has that optimal feel. This is a butter slime that contained Daiso, and I played with this so much to the point where it got super tough. So really, after putting in some lotion, it turned out to be super soft and super spreadable and back to the same butter slime that I used to love. Has it ever occurred to you where you had no paint or no food coloring or any other colorant to color a slime? Well, there's actually a very surprising solution. What you can actually use is some markers. Markers can easily color a slime. What I personally like to do is just dot in the marker to get that coloring onto the slime. This won't ruin your marker, and all you do is just mix that in and your slime should turn into a nice colored slime. It turns out super cute, and this slime actually has a Mr. Sketch marker in it, so it had a slight blueberry scent, which I thought was super cool. This slime is so cute now. It has some pink sprinkles, and I love the blue base. As you can see, the slime did absolutely no harm to the marker. The marker works perfectly fine, and those strokes that you see are just mistakes of mine. Oh well, but that's all fine since the marker works perfectly good. If you have a slime that you don't want to ruin the scent or its clarity, what you can do is put the slime on a shelf or a windowsill, and the slime should turn sticky and perfectly good. Or you can put a slime in some boiling hot water. Just be careful and the slime will melt in about 10 to 15 minutes or longer, just depends. You can actually also use some lemon since the acids in the lemon will change the pH levels and make the slime really sticky and ready for reactivating. To prevent this from happening, what you can do is put your slime in a cool area where it is unlikely to melt, like a freezer. Actually, please don't do that. Please don't.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
This has happened to me so many times where I am playing with the slime over some important papers or homework, and then all of a sudden the slime drops out of my hands and I think my world is over. The slime is stuck and I don't want to get the paper ruined and I don't know what to do. Well, through some experimenting of my own, I've learned that really there's a simple way to fix this problem. All you want to do is take off the majority of the slime that you can, and then using your fingers, roll around the slime on the paper. Just be careful not to rip the piece of paper because it's obviously important and you don't want to ruin it. And then just pick up the majority of the slime and you should have your slime back and your paper perfectly fine. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I use this container to hold my borax when I'm activating my slime. For me, it is the best way to have the optimal amount of activator coming out of your bottle when activating slime, since when you're doing it, you can accidentally gulp in a whole bottle of activator on accident, and this gives you the best way to put in your activator, because you obviously don't want to be doing this.
I personally know how much to add, so I kind of just gulp it in.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that these tips and tricks will come in handy. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!